Stacy here with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. Today, we're going to talk about the top 3 tips that will help you prepare your children for your divorce. Divorce can be painful for adults and even more difficult for the children involved. It is very important to still keep your children's best interest in mind if you are going through a divorce. It is easy for children to be put in the crossfire unintentionally, or in other words, to put your children in the middle of your divorce challenges and disagreements. Children are not adults. They learn, grow, comprehend, and relate to people differently. Keep in mind that you and your soon-to-be former spouse are not the only ones going through this divorce. Tip number 1, consider your children's ages. Depending on the ages of your children, you are not going to give the same advice to your young children as you would to your older children. This is due to their maturity levels being so different. An older child can likely take in more information about the divorce, and you will likely have to answer more questions about the nature of your relationship and what this means for the future of your family. However, for younger children, they do not need that much information because they are physically and cognitively unable to retain large amounts of information at one time. The attention span of a child under the age of 16 is essentially the same as their age. For example, a 12-year-old's attention span is about 12 minutes, and a 5-year-old's attention span is about 5 minutes long. So for your younger children, assuring them of you and your spouse's consistent love for them can be one of the best things you can do. Tip number 2, assure your children that this divorce is not their fault. Something helpful I've seen parents do with their kids is to consistently reinforce not only their love and affection, but also to hammer home that the divorce is not their fault. If you can help your kids understand that they are not the cause of any aspect of this divorce, that alone will help them greatly. For your older children, it might be a good idea to talk to them openly and honestly about what did cause some of the problems in your marriage, in an effort to help them have a thriving, healthy relationship with others in the future. Ultimately, what you share about personal details of your divorce is up to you. However, assuring your children that they are not the cause of your divorce will definitely help them as they grow and learn to have relationships with those around them. Tip number 3, present a united front with your co-parent. Your child might not be used to you and your co-parent having a positive relationship with each other. You can sit down with them and assure them that not only is this divorce not their fault, but your entire family will definitely be okay. And for many children, this might be the first time they have seen you and your co-parent work together on anything. Remember, any court order involving children will always be based on what is in the best interest of your child. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on post notifications for our YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook for more updates.